If you're new to the NEAR ecosystem and you're looking for decentralized applications that are worth your time, here are 3 of the best dApps that you can explore today and start using to kickstart your journey on NEAR. Number 1 is Rya Finance. Rya Finance is a chain abstracted liquidity solution for the NEAR ecosystem. In simple words, Rya is your go-to decentralized exchange for all things DeFi on the NEAR ecosystem. With Rya Finance, you can get access to a wide number of DeFi products to satisfy your on-chain needs. Everything from token swaps, liquidity pools, lending and borrowing products, and even Bitcoin DeFi is all available on Rya Finance. With over $130 million in TBL, Rya Finance is currently the number 1 DEX on the NEAR ecosystem, and so let's explore this platform and check out some of its features today. To get started with Rya, let's head over to rya.finance, where we can get a solid overview of what this platform is about. Let's launch the dApp and proceed to connect our wallet to get started. Now, on the trading page, we can execute instant token swaps across hundreds of coins listed on the platform. We can also swap tokens directly to a foreign destination address, as well as execute limit orders on tokens at a future time. Now, if we come to the Earn page, we have access to liquidity pools, token farms, and staking opportunities where we can lock up tokens or provide liquidity to token pairs and earn rewards for supporting the Rya ecosystem. Many of these farms and pools offer yield up to 20% and more. We can also stake the REF token and earn up to 16% APY from the fees generated on the platform. Next is the token bridge. Rya Finance is more than just a decentralized exchange on NEAR. It's also a gateway to other ecosystems like Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Ethereum, and more. We can simply connect a second wallet to Rya that supports a secondary chain and bridge assets over using optimal bridging routes. We can also just bridge tokens to a foreign destination address without connecting a second wallet. Now, the lending platform on Rya lets you borrow your tokens to other market participants and earn interest when they pay back. And here, you can also margin trade by going long or short on multiple assets listed. You can also join the Rya trading competition and compete for over 10,000 NEAR in rewards every month. There are so many robust features available, making Rya Finance the ultimate DeFi tool in the NEAR ecosystem. Our next dApp to explore is meme cooking. Memes have become an inseparable part of the crypto culture, and NEAR is also embracing this with its Memecoin launchpad. Meme cooking is a permissionless meme coin platform for launching fair and rug-proof memes through an auction-based model. To get started with this platform, let's head over to meme.cooking and connect our wallets. Now we can see and explore tens of funny meme coins that are being launched on the NEAR ecosystem, like Black Dragon and Shih Tzu. Clicking any of these, we can see how the charts are performing over time, see the top holders, and we can instantly jump on any of these memes in an instant. It's a fast and easy way to engage in the volatile side of crypto on NEAR. Now, last but certainly not the least is NEAR Intents. NEAR Intents is the AI native transaction layer of the ecosystem that allows both users and AI agents to seamlessly transfer value across Web 2, Web 3, and the traditional markets. In simple terms, NEAR Intents provides a super fast way to swap and bridge across multiple chains natively without the hassle of wrapped assets. So you can natively swap BTC, Ethereum, Solana, and more directly on NEAR Intents. Let's see how it works. Let's head to app.near-intents.org and we'll see this simple interface that allows us to swap multiple assets across multiple chains. To use it, let's first sign in with our NEAR wallets. Now we click Deposits, choose an asset to deposit, and we can transfer assets through our wallet or send assets from a centralized exchange. Once the assets have been deposited, we can now exchange them for another asset across chains seamlessly. We can also create custom OTC swap links, which we can share for a more P2P style experience, making this platform very convenient to use. Now, these are just 3 of the countless amazing dApps that are available on the NEAR ecosystem. To try out as many of these platforms as you like, head over to nearcatalog.xyz today and start exploring all that the NEAR ecosystem has to offer.